Florence, I'm so happy you're here with me. What are you going to cook for me?
I'm going to cook an iconic classic Peranakan dish. It is called Garam Asam. Okay, now we're going to start blend. We need some water, a bit of water. We have our dried chilies, red chilies, shallots.
It's got a nice fragrance.
Very. Lemongrass. So we have candlenuts, our belacan, shrimp paste, Young Galangal and fresh turmeric. Now we use fresh turmeric sparingly because we want the color to be red, not yellow. So last, garlic.
It smells very nice
Very
already.
nice. Yes, that's right. Once the pot is hot, we pour in the oil. Now we need a lot of oil to fragrance the ingredients.
Beautiful.
Okay, we put it slowly, gently.
Oh, it smells nice already.
Yes,
the smell is so good already.
And see the oil surfaces to the top. That is the sign that this is a good paste. We use torch ginger bud. So this is to help to fragrant all our gravy. And this is Kaffir lime leaves. So after that, we will add our tamarind juice. We will stir and then pour. Then we can add in our okra. I'm going to add the seasoning now. Sugar, anchovy granules, lastly the salt.
Florence, I have your fish.
Wow!
So we kept it in the PrimeFresh drawer in the Panasonic Prime Plus Edition fridge. So that means it's soft frozen, it'll make it easier to slice and also keeps it very fresh.
No wonder it's so good looking. Okay, we have already simmered for 5 minutes. So Marion, please increase the heat.
Sure.
So there you are. We cook it about 5 minutes and it depends on the fish. If it is thick, it takes a longer time. So we add in tomatoes.
It's so beautiful, Florence, and the flavour, my goodness.
That is the beauty.
Panasonic.